Oh, halagap. Uy! Visit din mo. Oh, ay. Hanapin siya, hanapin siya. Hanap. So, hi guys! This is your girl? This is your girl?
Hi guys, this is your girl Serena.
This is your girl? Who knows?
Where is our girl Angela? Finding Angela.
Finding Angela.
Master Cross? Wala yung Master Cross?
Aray, kulong! Mamira siya buhok, guys.
Dapat black eh.
Look.
Kasi your face is so very, 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 very insaman.
Guapa. Wonderful. Pretty.
안녕하세요, konsimida. We're in the Japan. Chari.
Look! Japan perteng elita.
Because it's giving Japan. It's giving lang. Magtanda guys. Wala sila.
Okay. Ada, gidi. Ay, guys, ito tamo sa amo ang 7-Eleven.
Kuya, ito saan eh? Kwarto. Oh, full kwarto. So we will explore you to our Amorag 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Kami 7-Eleven na rin.
Yeah.
Most of the people live here, they already know what is the 7-Eleven in this place.
Yeah.
Period. So we are the vlogger for today.
Yeah, wala sila pakialam sa likod. Wala sila pakialam. Mga OA man, me.
Uy, buday ko din.
OA ta!
Uy, ko gamay. Gamay lang guys.
Hi, Thea!
Hi!
It's so init in here. Oh my gosh.
It's the fault of
Ano
you.
ba po
It's the you, it's the blood. Oh guys, course na po niya guys.
Pwede yun namukul. Ah!
guys.
Sabok ta. Holding hands.
Uy, paligid ko.
Go, go. Uy! Uy! Sugod daw ka nun. Sa Angela! Guys, sama dito sa Angela, guys. Angela! Nasa lang kay ka.
Paggulit na papi.
Ah, ito na paggulit.
So guys,
Aray ko!
guess where we are going.
Wala ba? Buhok.
Can you guess where we are going?
Gagay mo na gigo.
Yan eh, sa 7-Eleven.
Yeah, that's our 7-Eleven, guys. Sorry ko dito, ha?
Yes, I will picture you because I'm a very good photographer.
Kuntahay ko. Kuha unta ko kuntahay ko.
Look, atik-atik lang gold pero
Wonderful. Wala.
buli. Nilahi ang camera ba? Vlog. Ay, sige, goodbye.